The Hiligaynon word hakwat means to lift or to raise. Hakwat. Hakwat. Ginhakwat niya ang bato. Ginhakwat niya ang bato, he or she lifted the stone. So hakwat is lift, like niya is he or she, and then a bato is a stone. So ginhakwat niya ang bato. Nagahakwat sila sang mabugat. They are lifting heavy objects. So mabugat is heavy, and it kinda like infer that they are lifting something that's heavy. So nagahakwat sila sang mabugat. Hakwaton ko ang imo bag. It means I will lift your bag. Bag is bag in English, Filipino still the same. And then imo is yours. So I will lift your bag. Hakwaton ko ang imo bag. Hindi mo mahakwat ang karton. It means you cannot lift the carton, something like that. Maybe it's heavy. Hindi mo mahakwat ang karton. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word hakwat, which means to lift or to raise. Hakwat. Hakwat.